going on, everybody? I had to stop here to get something to eat, drink, and a little bit of gas. I'm on my way to go pick up my mom. And just like every year, I'm gonna head up to South Carolina first to pick up my mom, and then we're gonna head up to West Virginia, and I'm gonna take y'all along with the ride. And we're gonna go check out some cool stuff. And if you haven't yet, go check out some of the older videos that I did back in West Virginia. But from that, let's head on to South Cackalack. Typical holiday traffic. I'm breaking through Jacksonville right now. It's not too bad, not too many crazy drivers. There's here and there people that like to jump in between cars really fast, but other than that, it's not too bad so far. All right, so we made it to South Carolina. I'm just a few miles out from my mom's house, and we're gonna go and show up, say hi, give her a hug, and then we got to take care of some stuff, get some Christmas gifts, and take care of some errands before heading to West Virginia. All right, y'all, it's the next day. 28 degrees out in South Carolina, so it's cold as heck. I'm all wrapped up for now. Got to stop and get some gas, get some stuff for breakfast, and then we're going to be on our way to West Virginia. You're not really going to see much of this trip. I'm probably going to show some of the cool tunnels in the mountains area, maybe a little bit of mountains, but try to avoid as much as I can with my cell phone. I'm sorry if you don't get to see much of this trip because my mom freaks out every time I get out the cell phone, which is understandable, but until we get to West Virginia, we'll show what I can. So if y'all can tell, made it to West Virginia safely, and I'm talking to my camera right now. We made it to West Virginia safely. It's chilly up here. It was cold down in South Carolina. Vehicle did quite well, but yeah, we're here for now. It's absolutely amazing to find out that you have supporters no matter where you're at, from either back home or wherever it may be. But it's really awesome to have folks that support the channel and follow along. Hopefully I can bring a smile to your day. But I wanted to give a shout out real quick since I'm here in Gilbert at the gym with my brother, because we were here working out and got in the pool and everything. But I'd like to give a shout out to Kirsten. I hope I'm saying it right, but thank you for being a supporter, and just saying hi. Beckley, gonna go get some food. So today we're gonna go to Grafton to go to the National Cemetery there and go in, visit our dad. I usually do that every time I come up here for the holidays because that's usually the only time I have a lot of time to come up here. But that's where we're gonna go to now and probably get into some other stuff. But weather's not too bad here, it's still chilly. It's always tough when you come out and come to see your family members in the cemeteries, but I could tell you what, the place up here in Grafton, West Virginia, the National Cemetery up here for military, they keep everything in like just beautiful and pristine. So it's very respectful. They got a wreath set out for the holidays. It's a good thing. I'm glad I get to come up here and visit my dad. So it's a good thing. I try to, like I said, try to come up here as much as I can, but it's usually during the holidays. So it is Christmas Eve. It is in the close to the 60s here, and just kind of hanging out in the beautiful weather outside. And later tonight or later this evening, we're gonna have some get-togethers, and then tomorrow on Christmas Day, we'll be at my brother's house and we're gonna have another get-together then. And it's just been really nice. I haven't been able to get much video lately because everybody's been sick with stomach issues. So it's been kind of boring lately, just laying around watching TV. But we're gonna ride around and go look at some stuff real quick. So we just drove around some of the town. We went through Pineville, went through some areas behind Pineville and Oceana, and we're now stopping to get some gas and just showing y'all some of the really dark areas back there, because if you don't get any light from either headlights or street lights, there's no lights at all, so it's pretty creepy. Early in the morning and we're getting ready to head out. It's really foggy, so it's going to be probably foggy on the mountain. It's a little chilly out, but time to head back to South Carolina and then eventually back to Florida. It's been a fun little time out here. Had a good time seeing everybody, but it's time to go home. We made it to South Carolina, dropping off my mom. It's been a long ride, but the ride's not over. I gotta head back to Orlando to go home, and the adventure still continues. Nothing like some good old-fashioned holiday traffic. Non-stop traffic everywhere you go. We're at the end of 2023, and I really hope y'all are staying positive, trying new stuff, getting out there and adventuring. And if you haven't yet, make that your New Year resolution to get out there and just be more positive, try different things, and just see how much it impacts your life, hopefully in a positive way. Gotta pee! I feel a billion times better, but almost home. 100-something miles left, and I can't wait to get in my own bed. All right, y'all, I'm finally home. Thank y'all for riding with me this week. If you haven't yet, go back and check out all my older videos. Share with your friends and family. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time, love y'all. Peace.